Wala ako extra battery. Lobat. Lobat.
Oh, wait.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance.
A few moments later.
6.19
kilos.
kilos. Oh.
And then while you do that, I'm gonna just extend one of her legs over here.
There you go.
Put it straight.
I'm gonna measure you, baby. That's how you guys measure.
55 and a half.
Oh, 55. Really? The diaper is full again. We just change you.
Yeah, you can pick her up now.
Okay, and then
I'm...
Ready for your vaccine? Are you ready for your portion? 6.19 kilos. Ready? Are you ready? Dila-dila po. This is sleepy pa eh. Sleepy pa yung baby yan eh.
Her length is long,
Oh.
but she's long.
And her weight is like 6 already. 6 kilos.
Yeah. You know why I say it's long is because the last graph is her proportion. She's at 99.9%.
Really? 99.
For her proportion, length versus weight ratio.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why I was looking to make sure that one of the parents is tall.
Tall. Yeah, it's the dad.
Yeah. Okay. We'll continue to see how she grows. It's not a concern. Okay.
Okay.
But we just want to make sure that it's not like a drastic fluctuation or anything like
Yeah.
that. But if we look at her length and weight separately, weight's about 90th percentile.
Yeah.
And length is about 25th percentile.
Okay. As long as it will not go over 100.
So if she's slowly going up, that's okay.
Yeah.
But for example, we don't want her like up here at 4 months.
Okay.
If she's like up here at
Oh,
like
this is
18
okay.
months, then
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The graph with the... Okay.
Yeah, and her head size is okay too.
Yeah.
Before we start with the shots though, any questions about her development?
Oh my goodness. Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Good job. You're a strong girl. You're a strong girl. You're gonna be okay. Last one, and the mama should be right there. Oh, I'm sorry. Last one.
Hold on. We're going. Okay. All done. Oh, I will rest later. Oh, here's the phone.
Is Crystal her middle name?
Yeah, Crystal. Hold on. Did you hear? Did you hear Riley's crying? You're crying too
Do you
outside.
guys by chance identify as indigenous?
No?
Okay. We just double check because there's a different vaccine.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Next one will be until 4 months.
Yeah, we're already booked.
Okay, good. One last shot, okay?
Yeah.
One last shot. And then, Mom, let me show you aftercare sheet. I'll give this to you as
15
a
minutes in,
reminder. It talks about like the fever on the inside and when to keep medication.
Yeah. Thank you so much. We'll wait here.
One eternity later.
Hello guys and happy Thursday. Ngayon lang ako mag-i-intro kasi dire-diretso kami kanina dun sa community center kung saan nagpa 2 months vaccine si Riley. Ayan. And tapos na siya sa kanyang 2 months vaccine, 3 shot and then isang oral vaccine, yung rotavirus. Ayun. Siyempre, umiyak si Riley, kawawa. May insert ako na clip, nakuhanan ko dito sa aking meta. And ngayon, tulog si Riley. Si Hailey, ayan, binigyan mo ng cellphone. Kasi nakapark kami dito sa superstore at bibili ng lunch si Harold as usual. Ang bibilin is yung chicken. And then, sabi ko, bumili na rin ng bigas. Dahil naka-sale ang rice ngayon dito sa superstore. Hopefully, naka-sale. And nakita ko naman siya sa flyer yesterday dito sa aking Optimum app. 29.88. So, limit 4. Sabi ko kay Harold, kumuha ng 3. Kasi meron pa naman kami sa bahay na dalawang 18 kilos na rice. So, ayun. And then, bili na siya ng Mang Tomas. Kasi hindi ako sure kung meron pa kaming nakastock up na Mang Tomas. Kaya, ayan. Yan, superstore kami, guys. Ayun lang naman ang aming ganap today. Yung 2 months vaccine ni Riley. And, ayan, sabi ko kay Harold, pwede na kaming gumala. Meron ng vaccine si Riley. Ayan, makapasyal-pasyal na. And mamaya pala, I don't know kung makakapag-vlog ako. May bisita kami, guys. Ayan, ang aking friend na travel nurse. Galing sila ng Prince George. So, meron silang layover dito na 24 hours dito sa Vancouver bago sila umuwi ng Toronto. So, ayun. Talagang sabi nila pinili nila na may layover dito sa Vancouver para makita kami. Yan, madalaw kami dyan sa aming new place. So, mamayang hapon yatang lapag ng kanyang eroplano and punta siya sa amin. Yan. And then, kung maabutan pa niya si Harold mamayang 10 p.m., sabi ko nga, ihatid dun sa hotel nila. Kasi ang hotel nila, dito lang din sa Richmond, Marriott yata. So, malapit lang naman. So, pwede silang ihatid mamaya ni Harold. So, yan. Let's see kung makapag-vlog ako. Kawawa si Riley kanina. Grabe yung iyak. Ako yung nasasaktan. Kaming dalawa lang ni Riley dun sa room kasi si Harold, si Hailey ang alaga. Pumasok sila dun sa room kanina. Kaso naglilikot-likot si Hailey kaya lumabas sila ni Harold. Pinaglaro niya dun sa labas. Ayan. Kaya ayun. And then in-schedule na kami sa 4 months vaccine ni Riley naman sa July. Sabi ko, sige. Kasi pwede namang makancel yun sa app or pwedeng i-reschedule just in case meron kaming bigla ang ganap that day. So, madali lang naman yun, guys. Lobat tong camera, guys. Ayun o, nagpupula na siya. Sabi ko kay Harold, gamitin na lang niya yung meta niya pang video dun sa pagbili niya ng rice dyan sa superstore. Kaya, ayun. Magandang weather, guys. Mainit. Tingnan natin ilang degrees ngayon dito sa Vancouver. 14 degrees siya. Yeah, feels like 14. Umaaraw. Kanina gloomy. Saka medyo mahangin. Oh. Ngayon umaraw na. Oh. Yan. Malapit na to sa bahay, guys. And alam nyo ba, nawawala pa din. Hindi pa din namin mahanap yung remote, guys. Ayan, halos baliktarin na yung bahay. Mahanap yung remote. Pero buti, nagagawa namin ng paraan. Kasi yung kinuwento ko kahapon sa inyo, ang gamit pala ni Harold dun sa phone niya para pang-access sa remote is yung ano namin, Smart Things. So, ginawa niya dito sa cellphone ko yung Smart Things para habang nasa work siya, ma-access ko dito sa phone ko, makakapanood ng TV. And then si Harold, may din-download daw siya na app para din naman for yung remote, ma-access din niya yung TV. Kahapon, give up na kami. Sabi ni Harold na wag ko na daw hanapin. Lalabas na lang daw yun ng kusa. Oo nga, gano'n naman yung mga bagay. Kapag hinahanap mo, ayaw magpakita. Pero pag hinayaan mo, ayan, bigla na lang siyang lalabas. So, hayaan na lang natin, guys. Kaya, ayun. Itong bata, itong talaga. Yung remote pa talaga ang misplace. Nakakatuwa. Sabi ng nurse kanina, yung length ni Riley is parang nasa 98 or 99%, something gano'n. Tapos sabi niya, tatanungin nga niya kung sino yung matangkad sa parents. Eh, pagkita niya kay Harold, sabi niya, oh, that's why. Kasi nga matangkad si Harold. Pero okay lang naman daw, hindi naman umu-over sa length si Riley. Okay pa dun sa age niya. And alam nyo ba guys kung ilang kilo na si Riley? From 5 kilos, from 1 month siya. Ngayon, 6.19 kilos na siya. Grabe sa bigat ng bata. Ano kaya pag binubuhat ko? Masakit na sa likod. Kaya, ayun. Ay. Update tayo guys later ha. Hintayin lang namin si Harold.
A few moments later.
Ayan na si Harold guys. Oh, ilan kayang bigas ang binili? Ay! Walang bigas! Sabi sabihin, hindi nakasale. Mang Tomas lang, preska, saka manok ang binili. Hindi nakasale ang bigas guys. $41 daw. Walay. Sa ibang province pala nakasale.
Ano yung video ko?
As
Ayan guys, may nabasaran dito. Mahirap sa parking. Ayan o. Nahit and run siya. Basag. Kaya tayo nakaparada dito. Malayo.
One eternity later.
Hi guys.
say hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Ayan na yung package na dumating guys. Sa
Wow.
friend namin. Yung bisita namin kahapon kay Tin. Say thank you Tata Tin. Thank you. Love you. Say love you.
Ayo.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Hey, blow kisses. Okay.
Teacher.
Oh, are you gonna open this one or are you gonna play with that?
Play.
Open, right? Open. Okay.
Mama.
I will open. Open, show them. Show them. Yes, what's that? What's that? It's an afternoon tea set say thank you again.
Thank you,
Tati.
Tati.
Love you.
Tayo.
Ingat.
Ana.
Oh, blue kisses. Wow.
Epe. Epe.
Okay, we'll open it. Si Riley. Okay, wait. Wow, ang ganda. Okay, Mommy will help you open.
Happy you.
May chopstick ah. Bakit chopstick ba yun? Wow. No, just put it on. Okay.
Wow. Epe. Epe.
What's this? Wow. Wait. Oh, meron pa siyang ano guys, oh. Claim your exclusive warranty. Just wait. Mommy's still checking. Okay, I will open. Oh, show them this one, oh. Wow. Ang dami palang laman niya. Oh, let's open.
Howie. Mommy. Howie.
Oh, what's this? Show them. Chopsticks? Is that chopsticks? Is that chopsticks?
Hey, hey.
Ah, this one. Open. Oh, sit down ka lang dyan. Mommy will help you open, oh. Ano pa, oh. Naka tissue paper pa eh. Wow! Hailey, this is your cup. Cup. There! Magtitisa tayo. And this one is
Hey, hey.
cake. What's that? Cake. That's your cake. Oh, what else? Wait. Oh, wait. And then this one, let's open this. Ano to? Ayan, ano to? Parang yung cup. That's the cup. And this one like a cupcake. You show them, cupcake. And then this one is, ano ba to? Parang coaster. Yan o, coaster siya guys. Oh, you put it here. And then the other one here. Coaster. And then, open natin to. Ito na yung pinaka, ano yata? Takore. Oh, there. Yes. May takip yan, Hailey. Where's the takip? Andito. And then this one. It's like another orange. Another orange cupcake. Oh, put it there. Another orange cupcake. And then, ito na yung mismong tea. You put it, I think, inside. Like here inside. Yan ba yun? Oh yeah, I think. Yan. And may takip yan, Hailey. This one. Oh, wow. Galing ah. You pour it in your cup. Pretend you put it in your cup. And this is the lid. Oh, that's the lid though. Oopsies. There. That's the lid for that one. And then I think this is your sugar. Sugar. Like sugar, you put it one each. Sugar, one each. And then this is your spoon. Spoon. Mix. Wow, galing ah. Yan na guys. Ito pala. Yan. Sugar. Mix. Oh, you pour. You pour here. One for you and one for me. Oh, come on. Oh, pour. Oops, careful. Okay. I'll go. Little. Slowly. And then one for you. And then give me a spoon. And then you stir. Oh, do you have another spoon there? You know, one each. Mix with the sugar. And then cheers. Let's go cheers. Cheers. Delicious. And then you have a cake or cupcake, and then I can have this orange.
Oh no, it's
This one for you. Yay! Galing ah. Ito, cute to. And then this one.
Oh no,
Oh,
fly.
it says tea. It says tea. It says tea. Ah, itong chopsticks niya. Parang chopsticks. Pangkuha siguro na itong sugar. Ayan o. Oh, Hailey, you use your chopsticks dun sa sugar mo. Oh. When you put some sugar. Ba't pala mabay kita nung pang kids, training chopsticks. Nice. You can put it here. Inside. Galing naman. Wow. Mali pala si Mami, guys. Kasi, anong binabasa ko tong sa likod ng box, sugar jars pala to. Dito pala yan. Nga pala. That's sugar jars. So, yan yun. And then, dito nga pala tong pang tea. There. Yan. Diyan yan. Tapos, yung mga cake, ang pangalan niya, orange chiffon cake. Yan. And then, lemon cream top. Where is it? Where's this one? Lemon. Yan. Lemon cream tart. And cherry cheesecake. Ayan. Cherry pala to. Cherry cheesecake. Ang galing. Tapos, clip ang tawag. Clip pala. Chopsticks naman ako. Ayan. And ano pang sabi dito? This wooden tea set is not just the beginning of laughter and interaction, but also the ideal companion for nurturing social skills and creativity in children. The warm touch of natural wood lets little hands feel the unique beauty of organic materials. Explore the wonders of nature hand in hand with the Airlab wooden tea set. Oh, ayun nga. Galing. Teapot lid, tea bag, sugar jar lid, sugar cube clip, cups, spoons, desserts, plates, and tray. Ay, mali naman si Mami. Plates pala yun. Pinagkala ko coaster. Plates pala to, Hailey eh. Plates. So, those are plates. 3 plates. Akala ko coaster. So, you put your dessert or your cakes there. Yun pala yun. Pwede pala dito. Yan. Ganda.